Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we dive into the future, the world of AI technology. Subscribe now to stay one step ahead. As we explore mind-blowing technologies, join us on this thrilling journey by hitting that subscribe button and be part of our community shaping the future. By subscribing to my YouTube channel, you'll become part of a vibrant community passionate about robotics and technology. Share your thoughts, ask questions.
Prepare to witness the dawn of a new era in aviation as we introduce the groundbreaking concept of V-shaped wing aircraft. This innovative design is poised to revolutionize the way we think about flight, offering a host of benefits and advancements that will shape the future of aviation. The V-shaped wing aircraft takes its inspiration from the elegant shape of the letter V. This distinctive wing configuration offers a myriad of advantages over traditional aircraft designs, promising to enhance performance, efficiency, and overall flight experience. One of the key advantages of the V-shaped wing aircraft is its ability to reduce induced drag. Induced drag occurs as a byproduct of generating lift, and traditional aircraft designs often struggle to minimize this drag component. However, the unique shape of the V-wing creates a more efficient lift distribution, resulting in reduced induced drag and improved fuel efficiency. The V-shaped wing aircraft also exhibits superior stability and maneuverability characteristics. The inherent shape of the wings provides inherent aerodynamic stability, allowing for smoother and more controlled flight. This stability, coupled with enhanced control surfaces, gives pilots greater maneuvering capabilities, making the aircraft more responsive and versatile in various flight conditions. Additionally, the V-shaped wing aircraft has the potential to enable higher speeds. The reduced drag and improved lift-to-drag ratios contribute to increased cruise speeds, allowing for shorter travel times and improved operational efficiency. Safety is a paramount concern in aviation, and the V-shaped wing aircraft does not disappoint. The inherent stability and control of the design, coupled with advanced flight control systems, make for a safer flying experience. The aircraft's improved handling characteristics and stability augmentation systems enhance pilot control, reducing the risk of accidents and enhancing passenger safety. Furthermore, the V-shaped wing aircraft has the potential to open up new possibilities in aircraft design and configuration. The unique wing shape offers opportunities for increased cabin space, better fuel storage efficiency, and innovative interior layouts. This could lead to improved passenger comfort, enhanced cargo capacity, and a more enjoyable travel experience overall. As we continue to explore the potential of the V-shaped wing aircraft, we'll delve deeper into ongoing research and development, real-world applications, and the future implications of this revolutionary design. Join us on this thrilling journey as we unveil the limitless possibilities of the V-shaped wing aircraft. Subscribe now to stay updated and be at the forefront of this remarkable aviation revolution. The future of flight starts here.